Question 15. We're given two position vectors. OA is 2i plus 3j, and OB is 3i minus 2j. We need the magnitude, the length, of the vector AB to one decimal place. Let's plot the points. A is at 2, 3, and B is at 3 minus 2. The vector AB is the arrow from A to B. To find its length, we drop a little right-angled triangle, across 1 unit and down 5 units. To get AB as a vector, we do OB minus OA. That's 3i minus 2j minus 2i plus 3j. 3i minus 2i is I, and minus 2j minus 3j is minus 5j. So AB is I minus 5j, or the column vector 1, minus 5. The magnitude comes from Pythagoras, the square root of the x part squared plus the y part squared. That's the square root of 1 squared plus minus 5 squared, which is the square root of 1 plus 25, the square root of 26. That's about 5.1. Well done. That's question 15 complete.